In the beginning of Daniel 2:4, the Chaldeans spoke to the king and said, O king, live forever. And they keep speaking here. Aleph Mem Resh, Pa'al imperative, masculine singular. Tell. Tell what? Tell the dream. And it's the dream because that Aleph places Chet Lamed Mem, dream, in the determined state. Tell the dream. To whom? Well, there's the to idea, and here we have the second masculine singular suffix pronoun. In Hebrew, we would think this is the second feminine singular suffix pronoun, but this is the correct form for second masculine singular in Aramaic. We also notice this yod. This tells us that it's to your servants, plural, not to your servant, singular. And this is important because this is the kativ form, and this is the kare form that's in the text, in the brackets there. We notice that the kare form lacks the yod, telling us that this should be read as plural. And it's interesting, the Septuagint and every modern English translation I can find prefers the kativ reading, tell the dream to your servants. Okay, second line, we notice the conjunction in front of this word and the determined state on the noun. And the interpretation, we will declare. And why is it we will declare? Well, this is the chet vav hey root, and we have the imperfect first common plural prefix. That's pretty easy to see. Also easy to see is the doubled vav. Well, that's a telltale sign that this is a pa'el, very similar to the Hebrew pl. Now, we will declare. What's the significance of pa'el interpretively? Well, it's interesting. This particular verbal root has both pa'el and hafel, the causative, and it looks like they're interchanged, because what I mean by that is in verses 6 and 7, the king and the Chaldeans switched to using hafel for such a very similar idea that it's really hard to disambiguate what's the difference between the pa'el and the hafel. So altogether we have tell the dream to your servants, and the interpretation we will declare.